Okay guys, it's here, November 28th. I actually completely forgot the Triumph was releasing today, and here it is. We got a name for it. It's the TF250X, and they're making some bold claims too. They're saying it's the best power to weight ratio in the class, the best balance, a lot of cool things, and it does look nice. They hit on a lot of things that you guys love. Brembo brakes, KYB AOS forks, quality wheels, a lot of nice magnesium and a lot of nice coatings and things like that. I think it will be popular. Now, I've been wondering about the price for a while, and this thing's going to come in at $9,995. So before you Google it, that puts you at around $200 cheaper than a KTM. Speaking of a KTM, I think that's what you're pretty much getting here. The engine design looks extremely similar to the Austrian brand, and it has a lot of the same features on the map switch. So you're going to get launch control, you're going to get quick shift, which is clutchless shifting second through fifth. You're going to get a couple different maps and a traction control. Now, they don't really tell us much about the engine besides it's got titanium valves. So hopefully we'll get more information on that soon. You can go on their website to find your closest dealer. You can also configure the bike on there. There's no options for like color or anything like that, but there are some technical accessories and things like that. There's a Wi-Fi module, which looks like it's going to pair with an app on your phone to give you access to 10 more maps and maybe even let you configure those maps. Everything on here does look pretty high quality. You are getting lock-on grips and Dirt Star rims, a brushed header there with a resonator. I know Akrapovic has an exhaust ready for this thing. Obviously, the KYB stuff is good. I don't think they've really cut any corners with this machine. So I'm excited to see what this thing's going to be capable of. My question is, where are they at in the manufacturing process? Are they going to meet the homologation requirements, to race Supercross? So we'll see. Hopefully more data comes out. I'll try to keep you guys posted. Oh yeah, and toolless air filter access.